It's a big misunderstanding. A lot of people say, I've asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I've made dua, why isn't the response coming? We human beings, we don't know everything. Do you agree? So when I make dua, I'm expecting something specific from Allah at a specific time in a specific way. That's the majority of people, they're doing it. I remember one person, they were going through grief, so they came to me for a bit of help. They're making dua night and day, crying and crying, crying. And then they said to me, it's getting worse. Why isn't Allah giving me help? And I said to them, it's because you are focusing on one particular expectation. You are focusing on God giving you something specific, and that is relief. I said, you are over-exhausting yourself. Because you're thinking about it a lot, you're making it worse. You have to get out of it and continue. Get out, make your dua and then move. You got to do your part. And don't expect something specific at a specific time. Allah knows, and say, Allah will give it to me exactly when I need it.